Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red lines and then the orange line is coming from. And want to quickly get things updated here, as what I talked about in yesterday's video does still imply and is still in play. What is in play? You know, what were we talking about? Well, it all revolved around this orange line here, which was, the start of an uptrend. And uptrends, not to insult anyone's intelligence, but uptrends can't happen unless you have the prices put in higher lows upon higher lows. And that's what's, allowed this line to be drawn. And the question was, is the price going to be able to still maintain, up above this orange line? And sure, it got sloppy here. Sure, it technically dropped below it and such. But, levels of support are not exact specific prices. They're little ranges. Case in point right here. Sure, it technically dropped below it, but still stayed within it. And that's what was going on today is, yeah, the price was dropping below it, and it got, like I said, a little bit clustered up in there. But at the end of the day, when all the dust had settled, the price is still in fact, it closed up above the orange line. So it's not like there's any sort of question that the price closed below it. Still up above that area, and that's what you want to continue to see happen going forward. Now, what I do want to do is replace this orange line with something that's going to kind of just draw itself for us, and that is the purple line right here, otherwise known as the 50-period simple moving average. And like I said, it's going to draw itself for us. It's a moving average, so as time goes by, assuming the price stays up above it, that level is going to, level off and then begin to curl upwards. And, therefore, that's what you want to see, assuming you're, from the bullish side of things. So going forward, instead of using that orange line to measure kind of the health of the move, keep an eye on that purple line, because as long as the price is up above that purple line, that implies that the price is put in higher lows, and higher lows are what truly bullish moves do, right? That's how uptrends are built, with those higher lows. So transitioning from the orange trend line to now we'll use a moving average as our kind of quote-unquote trend line. Again, the 50-period simple moving average. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing new here at all. 24 cents is still that initial level, and then after that, 26 cents. So all in all, not the most exciting day, but taking a step back and looking at the price still continuing to work on its way, drifting upwards. We'll see if that can continue on the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.